Welcome back to WGNC Garage. We're here with my friend Supra. We're going to be servicing the rear differential, and we're going to be replacing the drain and fill plug as well as the gaskets and replacing his oil. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So we're going to make this a little bit easier on us. I have the Cusco low profile ramps. Supra has his whole car up on 4 of these. So now I'll be able to slide in and undo the drain plugs and fill it in. Alright, so we're here on the Diff. Allen's size on his vehicle is 10. There we go. That's perfect. Alright, so now that those are cracked open, I gotta get the oil pan. Thank you. And let's see the condition of his oil. Interesting.
Don't tell me there's no oil.
No, it was just suctioning in air. Oil looks good.
At least there is oil in there. That's
Yeah.
what I care about.
You can wipe that off.
Oh shit. There's a little. I mean.
There's a little bit of metal. There's always going to be a little bit of metal.
Yeah.
But there's no metal chunks. The fluid doesn't seem to have any metallic flakes inside. So. Alright, there we go. Alright, here's the upper one.
They both look nice still. It's whatever.
Well, they've probably been in there since the car was new, so that's 30 years old. And so, since this is going to take a while to drain, I'll be back once it's done. Alright, so we were able to drain. It just started to drip, so we placed the new drain plug in there. If I'm not mistaken, when I read the manual, the service manual, it was 25 foot-pounds, I believe. So we're going to set it to 25 foot-pounds, and once I get the torque wrench and torque it down. As far as his fluid, let's see if there's any forbidden glitter, which there is not, but it does seem cloudy from humidity. So looks like it just had moisture in there from the last 2 years. Alright. Alright, 25 foot-pounds. Now, I'll have my friend open the bags and we will start filling up the differential.
Oh, is it because you had the place taken out?
Plates?
Because of your surgery?
No.
Is it just how old you are?
Yeah. And the military service, you know how that is.
Yeah, but like...
Ow. Alright, so we're gonna fill up his diff now with the required fluid. Factory spec is 80W90 according to the service manual for his car. So we will now, oh, there we go. No. There it is. So now that that is full, I'll wait a second for it to drain out a little bit excess. And we'll close this up. So now this is going to be moved. To make sure that the level inside of his differential was accurate, I actually got all 4 of the Cusco ramps to keep the vehicle level, to where we can make sure that the vehicle is level, fluid inside is actually level and actually measures. If you raise just the back, the diff will sit at an angle and it won't actually fill to its proper level. So now that that's full, we'll torque that down. Alright, that has been torqued to spec. So now we are complete and his diff is filled with the proper fluid.